Yesterday, I made $421 without doing anything literally. So all I did was send 349 hops to a couple of links, and that made me $421. Now I'm considering you are a complete beginner and you need some time to do this. So for that, let us consider you will take 2 hours to make $421. This is okay. So you'll make $210 per hour from this video. Ready for this? Let's begin. For that, we will show you a much easier way that will be related to another number, which is 1052. And in this video, I'm going to explain what these numbers are, how easy they are, and everything will be done. And my softwares, link in the description, will help you get there. So they are free, don't worry about it. Watch the full video and learn everything, because I'm also going to share a bonus method of making money that requires no website, no experience, and no technical knowledge. Any beginner can do this from right now. Before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. Our next money making video will come with another unique method of making money, and also our premium softwares 100% free for our YouTube viewers. And don't forget to share our video using the share button to all your social media contacts and your friends and family, as this way they will also learn how to make money online easy peasy. So let us begin. So let's talk about the bonus method. The bonus method is Familyclicks.com. This website pays you for completing easy tasks daily, and you receive fast and stable payments. You will earn up to 2 cents per click and 2 cents per referral click, and earn up to $10 per referral upgrade. You will get detailed statistics from their dashboard, affordable upgrade plans, safest and easiest way to earn online. And they have paid over $688,481 to their 448,000 members. And if you want to advertise, you can advertise with them. They have decent amount of active traffic. Their frequently asked questions section is pretty clear, and you should go through it, because they clearly mention how you can make money, when you get paid, etc. Only one account allowed per household, and you cannot use VPN. If you use that, you'll be in trouble. Your accounts may get shut down, and they have clearly mentioned if anyone's account is shut down, you cannot get it back. And they asked you not to contact the support desk if the account is shut down. So stay clean and avoid using black hat or gray hat methods. How many days you have to wait for the payment? Normally 24 to 72 hours, maximum maybe 7 days. Registering this website is super cool and super easy. Click the top right corner register button from the menu and use this form to sign up, and then you will get an email. You have to click the link in the email, then you will be able to log in using your member login section. This is how the dashboard looks like. The numbers will update as you continue to use them. Here is the earn money section. You can earn money simply by viewing advertisements. Let's click one of the ads, and the ad is loading. It's taking a little time. Not a problem as long as they pay us. These are the ads page. It was that easy, and I just earned some money. They have a referral contest, and referral contest is super awesome, because the more a referral you send to them, your position in the contest will rise, and your commission will rise up to 25 cents per referral. And the best part of the referral is you don't really work. The others work using their free accounts, and you make money from their earning, but they are not going to lose any money. This company, Familyclicks, will pay you for your referral. In the next section, I will share how you can get traffic, and how you can send more referrals, and how you can make a lot of money from other methods as well. Stay tuned. So now let's get back to these numbers and how you can hit these numbers. $421 per hour. So $421 in 2 hours divided by 2 will be $210 per hour. And for that, I also told you about another number, 1052. What is 1052? If you see, to hit this number, I had to send 349 clicks to a few links. These are the offers, and they have specific affiliate links. I sent traffic to these links, and the visitors found these offers useful. They bought, and I made money. We get all our traffic from Pinterest, YouTube, and Facebook. For YouTube, we make videos, and in last 28 days, we got 19,000 views, 10,000 unique views. For that, all you need to do is to make useful videos and publish to YouTube. If you are not comfortable in front of the camera, use my software. This software will help you build traffic without you being in front of the camera, and this software will give you voiceover. This software will help you write the script using AI and will help you make bite-sized videos and compile them in one video and make one long video in just one push of a button, and then another push of a button you will publish it to YouTube, and YouTube will send you all the traffic. Another way we get traffic is called Pinterest. I'll give you an example. Pinterest has around 1 billion monthly visitors. This particular account is directly connected to this website. They have a blog, infographics, and all these things. Whenever they publish a content, they share this with their Pinterest account. And Pinterest send them 83% of their social traffic. And yes, they have 1.1 million monthly visitors. So they get a lot of traffic from Pinterest and from Facebook. Now here's the solution for you. Link in the description will give you my software that will build blog sites completely automatically. This is auto blogging software. You don't have to write a single word to create your WordPress blog. And then another software in the same package will share your content automatically with Pinterest, Facebook, and other social media channels and get traffic to your blog for free. You will send all this traffic to your affiliate link on Grammarly. And this is the easy part because Grammarly offers a free sign-up account, and whenever someone signs up for free, with a free account, you get 20 cents. Now this is amazing. Why? Because literally 100% of the people you send to Grammarly will get a free account. And here you go. You need to send 1,052 clicks per day. And yes, to make $210 per hour, you just need to send 1,052 clicks to your Grammarly affiliate link. And Grammarly will pay you 20 cents per free sign up and additional $20 if someone purchases the premium plan. If you send double traffic, you will make $416. And literally, you don't have to work at all. You just need to set up your blog and set up your auto sharing software. Link in the description. The softwares will do the job for you. Go do it, use it, and make money. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money easy peasy, and also you get our softwares 100% free. Link in the description. These softwares will help you make money just like us, and it's easy peasy. And also, once you hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, and you share this video with your friends and family, everyone gets notified when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.